Hey guys, Bobby here today. And today, guys, I want to talk about I'm talking to you automotive technicians out there, whether you're a veteran technician or a novice, or maybe just someone that likes to do a little bit of work on your own car. I found out through doing this project that we're working on, because we had a long, stale time in between the tear down and the rebuild. We had a lot going on, and this thing sat around for about a year. But going back together with things, what made it so much easier for us, and even myself being a seasoned technician, there's a few little tips that I do to kind of organize my bolts and stuff to where I can figure out how to put things back together. But one thing that really helped yesterday was a big day was the video that we made about a year ago of pulling the cylinder head off of this engine, okay? When we thought we just needed a head gasket, okay? And going back and watching that video, we like put that video back on like 3 or 4 times, and I fast forwarded or rewound it to different points in the video to where I needed to figure out like what bolt goes here or whatever. And here's a perfect example. Bring the camera right down here. This motor mount right here, okay? Uh, there's 3 bolts that hold this motor mount on, and notice that this one over here has a stud, okay? Now, I couldn't remember which one needed to have that stud, but by watching my video, I figured it out, okay? I saw when I was tearing everything apart that that was something that I needed to know. Bring the camera right over here. I'll show you a couple other things. Or go around this way, Nathaniel. Yesterday, I couldn't remember like where did what held the dipstick tube on, and it was right here. I saw that in a video. This bracket right here that's held on by this 10 millimeter was laying over here on my bench, and for the life of me, I could not figure out where the heck did that thing go. Where did that go on this engine? And then I happened to see where it was bolted right there to the lower half of the intake. So that's just a couple examples of. Oh, here's another example right here. We needed to know which one of these bolts went here. Was it this one that went here with the stud on it? Did it go here or did it go here? And by watching the video, we figured it out, okay? So whether whether you want to be a YouTuber or not, it doesn't really matter. If you have a cell phone and you don't even have to talk, you just put the camera on a tripod and let it roll while you're tearing something apart. Because when you go back together with it, you might just need to go back and watch that video, okay? And so I just want to make a video today talking about that, talking about videos and how important I think they can be. And so just use that as one of your tools in your toolbox. Use that phone that you have in your pocket to help you do the project that you're working on, okay? And that's about all I wanted to say today. Thank you for stopping by, checking out the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you next time. Take care.